Hello and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Me in my kitchen space. In today's recipe, I'm excited because we're doing another pilau recipe. I have about 3 more pilau recipes on my channel. You should probably check them out. And I'm also going to link them at the end of this video. And in today's recipe, I'm so excited because we're going to be using an ingredient that we haven't used in my last 2 pilau recipes, and that is tomato paste. As I've always mentioned, tomato paste is optional. It just enhances the color, but you can also do without. And from this corner, I have my cooking oil, I have my pre-boiled meat, I have some salt, I have a cup of rice, I have lots and lots of onions. This is my garlic paste, this is my ginger paste, I have my pilau masala, and this is my tomato paste. And without further ado, let's get started. So once my pot is hot, I'm going to go in with a generous amount of cooking oil, and generous is relative. I've added about 2 tablespoons, and on a normal recipe, I would add about a tablespoon of cooking oil. And once this is hot, I'm going to go in with my onions. So as you know, the secret to brown pilau is from the onions and not adding soy sauce or any other ingredients that you may think of. We need to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes till the color is golden. And when I mean golden and not burnt. So keep checking on this and make sure your onions do not burn. Nitakuwa nikikoroga in intervals of about 2 minutes till they are all golden brown. So at this point you can see that my onions are becoming golden brown and they have shrunk. So we are going to be very careful at this point not to burn them. And I'm going to go in with my garlic paste. And I'm also going to add in my ginger and give the ginger and garlic some time to cook. Then I can go in with my beef. Now that my ginger and garlic are fragrant, I'm going to go in with my beef. I'm going to let this cook for about a minute so that it can become a little brown in color. Then I'm going to go in with my tomato paste. So I've added a few drops of water so that I can just help my tomato paste to loosen up. And you can already see the brown color that we want. So I'm going to cook my tomato paste for about another minute because I do not like the metallic taste of tomatoes. I'll go in with my masala. Toast this for about another minute, then add in my rice and salt. Look at all this goodness. So this is going to give the brown color in our pilau. I can already smell the pilau masala that I've added, and that means we are good to go in with our rice. I'll also go in with my salt. So once the color is evenly distributed, I'll go in with my water, and I've already measured my water. I'm adding 2 cups of water because I used 1 cup of rice. I'm going to cover this and cook it till the rice is ready. This will take about 12 to 15 minutes thereabout. So this is about 15 minutes and I can see that my rice is ready. So seeing the other side, the serving. So you can serve this with kachumbari, and I have a kachumbari recipe. You can also serve this with a banana or whatever stew you prefer. So I'm going to dig in, and this looks amazing and the taste is also amazing. Wow, this is just amazing. Wow. So that's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you find, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Yeah.